Ingredients: 1½ cups mozzarella cheese, shredded, 3/4 cup almond flour, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon dried oregano, half cup low-carb pizza sauce. Toppings of your choice, such as pepperoni, mushrooms, onions, bell peppers, etc. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. In a microwave-safe bowl, mix together the 1½ cups of shredded mozzarella cheese and the almond flour. Microwave on high for 1 minute. Stir the cheese and almond flour mixture until it's well combined. Add baking powder. Add dried oregano. Add garlic powder. Add the egg. Mix well to form a dough. Transfer the dough to a parchment-lined baking sheet. Using your hands, spread the dough into a thin, round crust shape. Bake the crust for 10 to 12 minutes, or until it's golden brown and crispy. Once the crust is done, remove it from the oven and spread the pizza sauce over it. Sprinkle the shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce, then add your desired toppings. Return the pizza to the oven and bake for an additional 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Once the pizza is done, remove it from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. Enjoy your delicious keto pizza.